Hey y'all, welcome to another video from WreckingOwl.com. This video is a continuation of the previous videos I had posted on tying your aider and attaching your climbing sticks to the tree. In this one I'm actually going to show you how I get all the way up the tree, and in particular how I hang the stand while I'm suspended in the air. I use a Lone Wolf assault and I attach the climbing sticks to the back of the stand using two cut-to-length rubber bungee cords. They just seem to hold up to the weather a little bit better. So the success of your climb is really going to depend on the preparation while you're on the ground. I take all my climbing sticks and kind of get them ready, and I'll attach them to my belt right before I climb. Right now I'm attaching the climbing stick to the tree. I have another video that I'll link to show you how I do this, as well as how I prepare to use my aider, which you see here. The aider is kind of optional, but I use it just about every time I get up the tree. So once you're up on the first step, you can see I'm pulling up one of those sticks that's attached to my harness. And I kind of spread them out just because I don't want them clanging together, but this allows me not to have to pull them up on my back. And it's really just kind of a rinse and repeat thing. You're attaching one stick, climbing up to the top of it, pulling up another stick, climbing up to the top of that one, and doing that all the way till you get to where you want to hang your platform. Again, check out the video where I show you how I use my sticks. So once I get to the top of my last climbing stick, it's when I begin to take the stand off my back. I carried up there using just military molly straps that I attached. And I don't use a cam strap for the climbing sticks, but I do use the stock cam straps for the stand. And all I do is have them pre-loosened, and I attach one side to the Versa button of the top of the stand, pull it around, and then attach to the other side. And I'll snug this down. I'm not too worried about it being tight because I'm actually going to cam lock the stand. And then I'll take the other strap and I'll just loosely, like very loosely, put it around the bottom. It really isn't holding any weight at this point. And then I'll adjust the stand where it's going to sit square on the tree. Before I step onto the platform, I do like to have my tree rope on. I keep this and the cam straps in stuff pouches that are attached to the waist belt of the molly straps. I also keep my lineman's belt on, and the key to doing that is to keep it above the stand when you're hanging it. That way it doesn't get caught in between the cam buckles. Once I step onto the platform, I do take my lineman's belt off, and that's when I begin to cam lock the stand. So I'll put my knee on the seat, and then I'll pull up the platform with my foot. And this allows the stand to slide down on that looser top buckle. And then when you cam the stand platform back into the tree, it makes a rock solid foundation for standing on. And then if you need to, you can tighten that bottom strap, but typically it's already tight. And that's really all there is to it. When you want to get down, I just do the opposite. I put my lineman's belt back on. So when I'm on that top step, again, I'm attached in two places. And then when you pull the stand, I put that on my back, but as you pull each climbing stick, you can just lower those to the ground. And that's really all there is to it. That's how I get up and down the tree. I'm always looking to get more efficient, but I hope that helps someone else who's never done this before.